Today is Friday, January 16th, 2026, and these are Honey's puppies at 6 weeks old. Hey, girls. We are so much more active than we were at 3 weeks old. Huh. Oops. Did you flip over, Trixie? Huh? We had our nails cut today. Huh. Got puppy paw massages. Isn't that right? We did not paint their nails, though. We didn't go that far, did we, honey? Pretty girl. Trixie's like, I'm as big as you, Mom. Huh. You want to play marshmallow? Thank you for the kisses, honey. Thank you. Yes, I love you too. This video is supposed to be about the girls. You want to be in it too? You are one of the girls. Yes, you are. So we've got Roxy in orange, and Trixie in purple, and Marshmallow in rainbow. You just bouncing around, Marshmallow. Huh? Huh? Oh, you got me. You got me, girl. We went to the vet this morning. Had a good checkup. Huh. Yes, our first puppy shots. So then we slept most of the day. Marshmallow, that is not a toy. Are you stuck now? You stuck on your back? Huh. Oh. Here come your sisters. They're going to pounce on you. You back here, Trixie. Say hi, Roxy. Is this your close-up? Huh. And Trixie still got her heart pink nose. And they're getting those teethers in. So they're chewing on each other and their toys and me. Huh. Puppies explore with their mouths, so basically everything is liable to be bitten. Yeah. That tickles, Roxy. Tickles. Huh. Yeah. They're doing really well using their potty patch, eating solid foods. Pretty girl. Yeah. Have you got the zoomies? Oh. Have you got zoomies? Hi. What? Nope. Just going after your tail again, honey. Let's see if Mom notices. Huh. you gonna go to sleep? You found a nice warm spot? You're like, that's it. I'm done. Trixie's like, let's play. And Trixie's like, let's go to sleep. Do you hear the big dogs? Huh? One's got a treat bone, and they're guarding their lives. And Mommy keeps trying to bring you guys treats, huh? Honey, they can't have treats. They're too little. Honey just spoiled them rotten. Think you could choke on a piece of food there? You have to wait at least a half an hour after eating before you get the zoomies. Yeah. What? You want everyone to go play? Roxy might be up for playing, but Trixie says she's taking a nap. She's like, Mom, come play. Go on, honey. You have the long-suffering look of a mama. Yeah. Are we all gonna curl up here together? Take a nap, huh? Trixie's like, sounds good to me. That's a real close-up of your eye, honey. And Roxy keeps trying to dig her way under my dress like a blanket. You want to cover up? You want me to put a blanket in here for you? Is that what you like, Princess? Marshmallow got your tail again? She's like, come on, Mom. Mom's like, stop that. You're all getting sleepy again, aren't you? You had dinner. You played for a while. Now it's nap time. All except for Marshmallow. Still got Mom by the tail. You still have energy, huh? Trixie's like, calm down. Now you all want to curl up and go to sleep? All right. Well, say goodbye to your families. And we'll see them soon. Okay? Say bye. Have a great week.